too bad.
Oh, where'd they go? What happened?
Oh, I wish there was a way to see sky colors even when they're not in the sky.
Actually, I think there is a way.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think so. You think we could find any?
I think I could. But what is it you two think you're thinking about? Sky color stones!
Sky color stones? Yup, and there's only one place to find them. Near the fast
caves.
water.
Fast water? You're thinking of snapping shells.
No, I'm not. You're thinking of cave sparkles.
That's what you think. Ugh, please stop thinking out loud and tell us what sky color stones are.
Oh, well, they look like normal stones on the outside, but inside...
They're full of sky colors.
But how do you get sky colors inside stones?
You don't. They're just there. Oh, I saw one when I was littler. It was very pretty. Yup, yup, yup.
The last time I saw one was near the fast water over there.
You're headed in the right direction, but they're in the cave.
Well, wherever they are, I want to see one.
Oh, me too.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh my, sky colors inside stones instead of the sky? Oh, hey! Don't go without waiting for me!
All I see is the day in front of us. All I see is the day in front of us. Burning bright with a newborn sun. Come follow me. Hills to climb and valleys to roam. Oh, streams to follow all the way home. To the land before time. Before time.
Come on, we're wasting time.
Not if there really are sky color stones here.
Sometimes they're buried just under the ground.
Yeah, like in a cave. Oh, is that one?
No.
Is this one?
Chomper find one?
Oh, it is not. No, no, no.
Okay, how about this one?
Chomper find other one?
No, nobody's found any sky color stones because there aren't any here.
There are, Sarah. We just haven't seen one yet.
Is this one?
Well, I've never seen one, so I wouldn't know if I've seen one even if I saw one. Well, I would know if I never saw... I mean, I'll know when I find a sky color stone in the caves.
How about this one? Is this one?
Sarah, if you really know where to look for sky color stones, I'd like to look too. Ruby, Sarah. We would like to look for sky color stones with you too. Then come on, I'll show you how to find them. Everyone knows I'm the best at finding things.
Huh? Maybe we look somewhere else?
No, I'm sure they're here. Somewhere.
Guys! Guys! Look what I found!
You find sky color stone?
Even better! Stinging buzzers?
Want some?
No! No! Stinging buzzers!
Guys?
Oh, wait for me! We're getting close. I can feel it. You probably won't find any, but I'll let you see mine when I do. Well, I might find one on my own without you. You've never even seen one. But I'm very good at finding things. I've even found things I wasn't even looking for.
I'm sure you have.
But I have! Trust me, Sarah, I can find any stones there are to find. Well, Ruby, I can find them too. And that's what I'm gonna do. Sky color stones. Even all alone, I'm gonna find those stones. Just you wait and see. I want to see. The colors sound nice, yes they do. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I want to find them, yes, it's true. I'll find one before you. Sky color stones. Colors of the sky. Even all alone. Hidden deep inside. I can find those stones that cannot fly. Just you wait and see. Sky color stones. Sky color stones. Just leave it to me. I'll find those sky color stones. I'm going to find a sky color stone first, even before Sarah does. Maybe I will find one too. I am a good finderer. Yup. Sure you are, Ducky, but not like me. Just stick close to me and you'll... Sarah? Are you okay? Of course I'm okay. Now get down here. Huh? I found the cave. Now come on.
Guys, what you doing in there? Guys?
Get rid of the buzzers! Eat them already!
Okay, then I'll help you look.
Found one. I guess you were right, Sarah. You found one first before I found one. I knew I would. Congratulations.
Sarah, this is not a sky color stone. It is a cave sparkle.
A cave sparkle? Maybe I'll be the first one to find a sky color stone first after all.
Spike! You founded one! It is amazing!
Oh, yes, it is. I almost can't believe I see what I'm seeing. Well, I'll find one so amazing you really won't believe it.
I think I can find one too. Yup. Do not eat it, Spike. Here, I will carry it for you.